Thanks for coming back to watch another DIY from yours truly, Chanel Inspires. These are the before pictures, and at the end of the video, I will have the after pictures. This person is suffering from dry and severely cracked skin. I made a batch of whipped butters with a blend of butters and a blend of oils. And I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you try this product as well. You don't have to make this product, but I'm showing you what worked for me. Again, this is my DIY. You don't have to make it, or you can just watch it for entertainment purposes. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share my video. Thank you. Okay, they are starting to melt. I have it at a low setting. I have a blend of butters in here. They're all raw. So the first one I have is kupuasu butter. I have mango butter. I have raw coconut butter and shea butter. And then once these mix, I'm gonna let them cool down. And then we are going to blend this lovely melody of butters. And then I am going to add in my oils. I'll be back. So the oils have already been added in, and I'm going to add in the essential oil here in a bit. I just need to check the consistency to see if it's where I want it to be. It's getting really thick, so I think I'm about there. Because the air is causing it to get thicker. So, yeah, that's about where I want it to be. The patchouli is what I'm using. This is the magic sauce, the patchouli. So I'll be right back. Get in there. Get in there. Look at the finished product. It is just beautiful. It feels beautiful on the skin. It smells amazing. It's whipped. It's soft. It's moist. I mean, what more can I say? I mean, I don't know. Probably because Chanel made it. But anywho, I wanted to talk to you about the essential oil patchouli. I call it the star of the show because it truly is. Patchouli have been in a lot of your cosmetic products, your skincare products. I've always seen it in ingredients, and I've never had a reason to use it until now. So thank you for reaching out to me. But it is known for treating skin conditions such as dermatitis, acne, dry, and cracked skin. So it did wonders for us. And like I said before, my small area was cleared within 5 days. Hers was within 7 days. We both used it 2 to 3 times a day and was very consistent with it, I must say. She did go to the dermatologist after she was about 80% clear so that she can have something to use going forward, which I think she would have been fine with the butters, but you know, I get it. Also, I wanted to tell you that I used an emulsifier in a wax form, the Polysobate 60, and I added that to the butters when they were melted 90%. And then I added it in my Polysobate 60. That is just an emulsifier. I don't have water in my DIY, but if you add water to yours, you should add in the emulsifier. Also, if you're adding water to your DIY, you have to put in a preservative because butters cannot go into the refrigerator because they're going to be hard and it's going to cause condensation of water. So you cannot put your DIY butter in the refrigerator. So you have to use a preservative. Okay. I don't have water, so I'm not using one. And I will not get water on my butter, so I'm not using one. And that's what I'm doing. But I hope you enjoyed this video. The blend of oils that I used was jojoba oil, apricot oil, and avocado oil. Now look at the after pictures. Her forehead is looking beautiful, as you can see. Very clear. And look at the beautiful neck. Check out her neck. Y'all, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.